Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping right here for the very first time, you're so welcome. Okay, today I want to try out a dessert. I don't know if it's a dessert or a snack or whatever it is going to be, but I know it's going to be made of food. I'm going to be using fried yam to make this delicacy. So join me as I show you what I'm going to be using as my ingredients for this this snack. Bernice is here and she's saying hello aunties and uncles, so let's go. So yeah, I have my yam that I already cut, already peeled and cut to this cube size. So this is how I want it to be. This is another portion, and then some more portion is on the fire. Apple. So for my sauce, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using onion, ginger, and pepper, some fresh bell pepper. Right now I'm going to be blending it. So I just turned the crayfish over to this bowl, and here is my empty blender with water. I'm going to turn all my ingredients to the blender.
Empty hearts and neon lights, the playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
So for the yam doesn't have to be really fried. I just want it to be a bit fried, like just stay on the fire for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to keep it down because we are still going to steam it up with the sauce. So the aim is not to get it fried, but it's just to get it a little bit, I don't know, nice.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to.
So this is the second portion of my yam on the fire.
Video me, stop videoing all here. Look at you.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks.
red oil.
Why?
Because red oil have natural ingredient inside.
So this one doesn't have natural ingredients.
No.
Red oil is only palm kernel. There's no such thing.
Who is this one?
Me.
I think this one is nice. It's very. The color is top notch. The taste is formidable. The ginger, the pepper, the garlic. I'm not sure she's going to eat that too. Everything is just nice.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Yeah. So I'm basically done with my makeup.
It does not look as if you didn't make
Of course, now. What kind of makeup do you want me to do? I'm going to swim. I don't need to look serious. I'm just going to lay this stupid hair. After I give me gel now.
gel. No, I can't too. Yeah,
So-
they have finished your gel.
Yes, my shoe for the day. So guys, we just got here. The original plan was for us to go to the pool, but then we landed ourselves in Auntie UK's house. I'm sure you already know Auntie UK, the lady that does import and export of fishes, dry vegetables, dry leaf, anything that is dried. Please bring my baby, please. So Yuchi is already dressed. See her. She's so sad. She's already dressed with her beautiful shoes, and here she is. That is life, Yuchi. Don't worry. You will hear you, and there's no light. Shh. Why? Why do you want to cry? So even Bernice is not happy. Bernice, you don't have a choice, yeah? Sorry. So we're just going to. Sorry. Wait, let me carry you.
That one, because you're playing it.
Where are we passing?
If they ask question,
Shift that bag.
Because you are using this kind of big phone.
even better say
I'll use this one that is not my wood. My wood.
The ones that they used to eat when you are not around.
Eh?
The ones that they used to eat when you are not around.
Hey! Look how happy this
Let me draw. This one, Ben is looking at me like this. Yeah. She's smiling.
Yeah, that's it at Ben though.
I know. to turn to goat. Go outside, get.
Thank you.
And I'm done now to look for fish to eat.
Give me that one is doing give me. Since that they've been working.
I just clean the fish, so I use opportunity.
Hey, your brother, I can't get that thing. Don't that sound Antonio. Because of this pot is small, isn't it? Look at my size. Small and plenty.
Just take this one.
Okay.
All of them will be clean. Did I ask you? What do you please not like that?
Which are you?
I will move it to you. I will come move it. Don't
Maybe.
break your mouth.
I need some makeup. To make it fine.
Say that again.